In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the video quality on Amazon Prime Video. Scroll through the options, and once you've made your choice, go ahead and start playing the selected movie or series. Seeing your movie on the screen and ready to go is always a thrill, isn't it? With your video playing, take a look towards the side of the player. What you're looking for now is the options icon, which can usually be found as a small icon that looks a bit like a cog or a gear. It's the place to adjust your settings. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu with various options to enhance your viewing experience. The goal here is to make sure you're watching your content at the highest possible quality. Within the options menu, go ahead and choose the best option. This is crucial because selecting this will enable the highest quality video that your internet connection can handle. Essentially, this step ensures that the video stream is as top-notch as your network can allow. A good quality internet connection will make a massive difference here, as the better the connection, the smoother and crisper the video. Remember, selecting the best quality option might use more data, so it's something to keep in mind if you're mindful of internet usage. You might want to check your network or data plan to ensure everything is running smoothly. That's all it takes. You should now be enjoying crisper, clearer video quality on Amazon Prime Video. So kick back, relax, and immerse yourself in the best visual experience that can transport you straight into the world of your chosen entertainment. Enjoy the show.